Hello, welcome to a tutorial on how to set up Visual Studio Code to work with Python on your computer. In this tutorial, we will start by first downloading Visual Studio Code. While this tutorial will cover the installation for Windows, the website does have installers for macOS as well as Linux. To begin the download, head over to code.visualstudio.com. Now you can either begin the download for Windows or click the arrow next to this button to download Visual Studio Code for another platform. Your download will begin automatically after choosing your platform. Once your download is complete, open the file. The installation process from here on out is relatively standard. You'll have to accept the software license agreement, either accept or modify the file location where VS Code will be installed, and choose whether or not you'd like a desktop shortcut. As soon as your download is complete, we will open VS Code. Once VS Code is open, we will go over to the Extensions tab on the left side of your screen. Search up Python in this tab. Before installing the Python extension for VS Code, we must first ensure that we have Python installed on our computer. The extension page contains a link to instructions for installing both the extension as well as Python. The first step of the instructions is to head to python.org and download the latest version of Python. The download option you choose here may vary depending on your operating system. I will be downloading the 64-bit version of Python for Windows on my computer. Once Python is installed, head back over to VS Code and click the Install button for the Python extension. As soon as the extension is installed, you will have to select the Python version that you want to run. In this case, it will be the version that we just downloaded right before installing the extension. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Visual Studio Code to work with Python. You can quickly write a Hello World program to test that everything is working if you'd like.